Hello beautiful people, hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Twinkle Shetia and I really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. In my today's video, I will be using the Fix My Curl products and I'll show you my routine and I am going to give an honest review about these products. So let's not waste any more time and let's get right into the video. uh, Fix My Curl is an Indian brand and they specially make products for curly hair, as you can tell by the brand name, obviously. Yeah. And I felt the products are not that expensive. It's reasonable. If we see the other curly hair products, this brand is Indian. It's reasonable. All of these are, by the way, sulfate, silicone, and paraben free. So cheers to that. They came in this cute little pouch, and it also came with a booklet that states all the products in the pouch and how you're supposed to use them and what are the benefits of using them. So if you're a newbie and you don't know how to use these products, this booklet can really help you out. The first one is Fix My Curls Cleansing Shampoo. So this is the first product that you are supposed to use before any other product is the cleansing shampoo. You can use it twice or thrice a week, as per your needs when your curls need the restart button. So you can use this cleansing shampoo at that time.
I have oiled my hair.
So yeah, whenever your curls need a restart button, this cleansing shampoo is really good. My scalp was really clean after using this, and it felt light. I felt the dirt was out of my scalp, and it did not lather much. So it was a good cleansing shampoo. So the next one is Everyday Moisturizing Shampoo. It has mango and shea butter. The smell is so good, you guys. First of all, the smell is amazing. And this shampoo can be used every day. It has ultra moisture. That is what it says. And also, it is used for damaged curls. And you can also apply it to the roots and not only the scalp. So that is the plus side of the shampoo, that you can apply it throughout your hair if you have oiled your hair and you want to clean your roots as well. So this shampoo might help for that. Honestly, after using it, I also felt that the shampoo serves its purpose and it does moisturize my hair. Even if I really felt that even if I did not apply a conditioner, this would suffice. uh, Being a curly haired girl, saying that is very difficult because straight hair people can just uh, avoid or skip conditioners, but for us skipping conditioner is not an option. So I really felt that the shampoo itself was so moisturizing and it was really good. The next one is the Fix My Curls Hydrating Deep Conditioner. So this is a deep conditioner and you can use it normally also, and you can use it as a deep conditioner as well. While deep conditioning, you need to keep it for 15-20 minutes in your hair and use a heat cap if you want or not, and or else you can just use it as a normal conditioner also, when you can just wash it off in 5-10 minutes.
I am squeezing out the excess water before applying the conditioner and then dividing my hair into two parts and applying the product evenly throughout my hair. Do not apply the conditioner
honey, mango butter, goji berries, etc. There are 3-4 ingredients in this. And yeah, overall I like the conditioner, but the thing was it was moisturizing, but I had to use a lot of it, and usually we do need to use a lot of it. So I don't know if this tube would last very long for me, or 2 or 3 washes. That's it. And yeah, these are all 100 ml tubes. So I don't know if the conditioner would last much for me, because I need a lot of quantity for applying the conditioner in my hair. So the next one is Fix My Curls newest launch, that is curl quenching hair butter. It has flax seeds, tumaka butter, acai oil, and green tea extracts.
Take a coin sized amount on your hand and then bring it through your hair section by section, or you can use the praying hands motion as well. You can apply this butter on soaking wet hair or damp hair as well. I have applied it on soaking wet hair, and then you can start scrunching it from the roots, or you can also try the finger coiling method.
I felt it served its purpose. It says that it hydrates the dehydrated curls by locking in the moisture in the hair, and I really felt that it happened because I used a little amount of it, and my hair still feels so very light even after using the butter. Normally, when I use the leave-in creams or the curl defining creams, my hair is a bit heavy, but after using this butter, my hair is really light. So I really like the butter, you guys. It's really nice, and I will definitely buy it again. The next one is again a new launch, that is curl quenching flaxseed jelly. So this jelly includes aloe vera, chia seeds, and olive oil. It does not only help in styling, but it can also be used when you want to refresh your hair, or you want to detangle them while refreshing your hair. This jelly helps in that also. So the jelly is used for styling your hair, and it can be used with the butter as well, and this provides medium to hard hold.
Similar to the butter, you can apply this jelly on soaking wet hair or damp hair and rank the product through your hair and scrunch it in an that I'm done applying all the products. I'm going to take my microfabric towel and plop my hair and leave it that way for 5 minutes.
I would definitely be able to use this frequently if I want to, because I don't think it will be a problem, because it does not make my hair heavy, or it's not weighing my hair down. So yeah, I really like it.
After removing the microfabric
Honest review, because I really like the product. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. And if you would like to watch more such videos, please hit the subscribe button. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. And I hope all of you are doing well and staying safe and healthy. If you want to buy any of these products, I'll share the link in the description box. Lots of love.